Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As the title suggested, I have a very exciting orange box unboxing today. It is my very first Hermes item of the year, and it is an item that I wanted in my 2021 wish list, and I finally got my hands on it. If you can hear wind noises and the natural light flowing in and out, I'm so sorry. We're currently experiencing this storm and it's driving me crazy, so please bear with me. Also, if you're new here, hi, my name is Ida. I make videos about luxury handbags, reviews, but also lifestyle vlogs and basically anything in between. So if that is something you're interested in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. I'd love for you to join me in this journey of mine. So let's get into the unboxing. I inquired this item a few times in store, and the SAs normally just told me to try my luck online because if they were to order it in store for you, it might take 6 months or more. So I'm like, whatever. I think it's a little bit more convenient to order it and get it delivered online for you anyway. The package came wrapped in a plastic bag and it was delivered via FedEx within 2 to 3 days. The package also came with a Hermes shopping bag. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. As of all Hermes order, you get this little cute illustration white box inside. Look how nicely packaged it is. So I requested a gift receipt. It also came with, I think, like a gift card. So you can write a note because this makes the perfect like housewarming wedding gift for like family and friends or whatnot. Lift this up. Get this out of the way. So nicely wrapped. I'm so excited for this item actually. It came wrapped with a very cute new 2022 light-hearted ribbon. The feeling never gets old. And to review, you guys, oh wow, this is my new set of Hermes Mosaique teacup and salsa. So let me show you guys close up. I obviously opt for the platinum version that is also available in gold. As you can see, when the light hits, the little like mosaic grids kind of sparkles. I was kind of concerned whether it is going to sparkle or not because I never really seen it in real life, and from the videos or photos that I've looked at, it never really showed up the way that I thought. But I'm so delighted that it actually is very sparkly. And this is the base. Hopefully it is focusing. Mosaic all 24. I'm not gonna try that in French because I just cannot, even though I did search it up. As you can see, this very cute like cocktail symbol. Apparently this symbol represents like who made it. It's like a kind of like a signature from the person who painted this. Let me show you guys the plate. This is the saucer plate. The plate grids are not as sparkly, though it has a very nice platinum trim that is shiny. Hopefully it is picking up in the camera, otherwise I can always insert some close up. I thought the cup would be like this, but thankfully the cup is shiny itself. It is so pretty. I'm gonna have this like when the queen comes visit. No, I'm gonna have it like in the weekends or whatnot, but wow, this is so pretty. So this is the plate, and it is also made by the same person, I guess. So with the saucer cups and teacups or coffee cups, breakfast cup, you have to purchase it as a set, even though it is listed as one single item. But yeah, this is also a cocktail cup. And this is also a cocktail cup. So it's all made by one single person, I guess. And inside the package, it also has a mosaic little booklet. So the whole mosaic line is to kind of resembles the flooring of the FSH store in Paris. Iconic and sparkling mosaic all 24 pays tribute to the mosaic adorning the floor of 24 Faubourg, the historic Hermes store opened in 1926. And the Art Deco line is to resemble like the cast iron railings of the gate, which I think it is cool. So it is available in 2 versions, gold and platinum. The gold touches punctuate the palette of the ores, and the platinum makes the iridescent gray shimmer. Although all the pieces in this set can be washed in a dishwasher on occasion, we recommend that you wash them by hand using soft and non-abrasive sponge in order to preserve their luminous and delicate decoration. This set is not microwave safe and it contains precious metals. So that is something to note. I'm definitely going to keep this box to store these delicate cups in. So let me give you guys a more in-depth detail about these sets of cups. So the ones that I got right here are the tea cup and saucer. It is available in 3 sizes: the coffee cup, which is 10 centiliter, the tea cup, which is 16 centiliter, and the breakfast cup, which is 36 centiliter. I completely forgot about the existence of the 36 centiliter breakfast cup, which is, I think, the original ones that I wanted. But the only difference between the tea cup and the breakfast cup, besides the volume and perhaps the size, is that the breakfast cup has a full mosaic motif on it. So this one has a more simplistic motif. The breakfast cup has a full motif, which I'll insert the image here. But I don't really mind. I think if I ever come across the breakfast cup online, I'll get those as well. I can always get like additional pieces with the full motif. I think it is also a nice addition to have a more simplistic motif, if you will. You can have your tea or coffee in here, but you can also use this plate to have like pastries, fruits or whatnot on this plate. So cute and just very beautiful in my opinion. And obviously very well made. You can kind of feel the quality of the bone china, although I'm not like an expert, but in comparison to like my other cups or whatnot, I think this is definitely very nice quality. I don't think the photos or any photos on social media or the website really gives it justice, but I'll give you guys a little more macro shot as well. I love the Hermes Mosaique line. I think it is so iconic and classic. It is also available in gold, but I feel like the gold versions are more like Versace vibes, which is not really my style, if you ask me. So yeah, I've been hunting these down since December. I think they are a very popular gift, especially during Christmas time. That's why it took me quite a long time to, see them available online. But yeah, I think this marks a very successful start to the Hermès Tableware. I definitely have a few more on my wish list now that I know that they're so pretty. I definitely want a square plate, not the sushi plate per se, because I feel like a lot of people have the sushi plates, but some sort of square plate with a full Hermès Mosaique motif. Their spoons are also so cute, but like 80 pounds for a spoon, I can get more than 20 spoons with that price. So I can't justify that at the moment. Otherwise, again, like I said, if the breakfast cup ever comes back in stock, I'll definitely get a pair of those as well. I think 2 of these and 2 of the breakfast cup would be a nice variety. Ooh, let me get into the pricing of this. Is there pricing in this? I'm not sure. And the gift receipt, because I never ordered a gift receipt before. Okay, right. So it does show the price. So as of today, 2022 February, the Mosaic 024 Platinum Tea Cup and Saucer cost £380 for 2. So like I said, you can only get like a pair. You can't get one. So yeah, £380 with tax included and delivery included. I think that is all I want to share with you guys today. I'm very excited. I'm definitely going to use this weekend. I'm not sure if Brian will. I think he will be like super scared of breaking it during the wash. I'm going to be very scared too. But yeah, that's it. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. I don't want it to be too long. It is just tableware after all. With that said, if there's any questions regarding any of these items, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye!